Hey yo, what is poppin' YouTube? Back with another freaking video. Hope your guys' days are going so good, and if not, hopefully this fucking video makes it a little bit better. But yeah, so today we are gonna go to PetSmart and we're gonna go get some Chipotle, and you know, because we gotta get some dog stuff for Matt's new dog. But yeah, you know, hope you guys enjoyed the view behind me. That's kind of why I have the camera set up right here. But yeah, stick along for the ride today. It is going to be an amazing one, and I hope this video can make your guys' day better if it's not going so well. Just remember to always stay positive. You know, it will always get better if you're positive about things. So stay positive, stay strong. You guys got this. So let's get into today's video.
Don't think that I can ever feel the same again. It's 2:30 in the morning.
Yeah, I'm ready. Wasn't that cool?
Mistakes are in past tenses. Focus on the now and we'll be fine. Second chance.
Alright, I forgot to update you guys, but we just went to pick up Evan Callis and his dog Orexy Poo. But yeah, we're here, we're vlogging. We're gonna go to the dog park and we're gonna go to
Evan, get in behind me
everything.
when you get in.
Okay. What's up? What up,
dude?
Evan Callis?
What's up, man?
You didn't disappear from the internet forever,
Hey,
right?
Rex.
Oh no.
Say hi, Rex, hi, bud. Say hi, Bubby. Say hi. Hi.
Say hi to
God,
Evan.
she's so cute.
She looks like a fox, doesn't she? She does.
Yeah.
Penny, say hi.
That's all puppy things.
Here, why put this in your pants, please? Thank you.
Man, two dads at its finest. You try to take me home tonight? Try to take me home tonight? Yeah. Rex, what are you doing, dude? Where are we going, bro? Where are we going? Rex, where are you going, bro? Where are we going, bro? Oh, you want some food? No. Not allowed to have that, sir. Come on. You want to run? Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Stop getting untangled, bro. Come here, bro. No. No. Come here. Just got back from Evans. I haven't been here in a minute, but you know, about to say hi to Remy, and you know, we gotta go say hi to Remy.
Wait. We'll take him to the park right now. So let's all take him. You wanna go?
Take Remy too.
Let's walk. Yeah.
Buddy.
Here, Rex.
Good boy.
Rex. Wanna get Remy? He doesn't bark anymore, Mr. Bullshit. That bark.
Hi, buddy. I missed you. I missed you.
You're awesome.
Yeah.
Hold him. I'm gonna go get Rex. Okay, go. Nope, wait.
Oh shit. We're at the dog park. This is a badass dog park. They got like the shit you see on TV and shit, like for dogs, and they like fast trainings or whatever. Remy! Hi, buddy! No. Hey, let Remy go. I want to pet Remy. No, I want to see Remy! Hi, buddy! Oh shit. Oh my god. Come here! Hi! Hi, buddy! Come here. Rex. Come here, buddy. Come here. Rex, come here, buddy. Oh shit. He said, Evan's mine, you whore. Look at how cute you are. Hey, sit. Look at how cute you are. Dude, I swear, every time I try to film something funny, it stops. Cause I can't, it takes forever to start this fucking camera. Well, there's the gay guy.
What'd you say? Dog or
both. Sitting here watching yesterday's vlog with Matt, as I'm vlogging. So.
Look how cute though.
bro, are you stuck?
Man, this is, you know,
Full service right here.
you're like, yeah, I gotta go out.
He's coming this way. You got it.
Just
for the vlog.
Just a neighborhood Connor. I'm literally making this compilation. What glasses does he have on, dude?
Why does he wear glasses?
I don't know.
Why is he going so slow? He is so faded. Look how slow he's going. Look at him.
He's just on the road, dude. Focus.
That is too fucking funny. I'm sorry, but that is too fucking
He's just
funny.
riding on the road, dude. He saw me. Alright, me and Matt are gonna get some Chipotle. The line's gonna be fucking long, I can already tell, but
My God, the line's fucked.
you know, it's for good Chipotle, you
The
know.
line's fucked.
It's alright, bro. It's
The
alright.
line is absolutely fucked.
It's okay. Alright, so we're at Chipotle. I got a chicken bowl with white rice, chicken, and sour cream and cheese. What'd you get, Matt?
Burrito.
This a burrito? What's in it? Viewers want to know. Oh, look at that.
Your mom.
Dude, my mom's a whore, but you know, whatever. I need
Awkward
you.
thing to say on camera.
I don't care. I need you. I need to get you getting a bite out of that. So let me know when you're about to take a bite.
Evan, I hate the things that you put in your vlog. I just
Dude,
want that on the record.
just
I don't consent to any of this.
just. I'm gonna use that later
You know the sad
for
thing-
nighttime purposes.
Yeah, I was about to say, it's not even going in the video.
Right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It is always very appreciated. I love you guys, and this is gonna be a quick little wrap on this video. I have to actually, it's the next day again, so I have to film today too. So I gotta film this outro, get this video edited, and get it up by 3 p.m. It is 10:30. Gotta get this video up, gotta get it edited, and get it out by 3 p.m. Me and Evan Callis have something in the works, so you guys will like it, and when we, you know, want to go ahead and make that further step and maybe release it, you know, you guys will know about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video could have made your day a little bit better if it wasn't going too good at first. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on so you never miss a new video, because from here on out there's going to be a lot more videos, a lot more fire and heat videos. I'm gonna get daily vlogs out there, so thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.